Meletrix is also here at Computex 2024 and the brand new Zoom65 V3 is showcased here. Set to enter group buy on 18 June and Reebok Keyboards will be the Malaysian vendor for the Zoom65 V3. It's a very interesting keyboard with 7 different mounting styles. One of them is called the magnetic levitation mount, and as its name suggests, it's basically sitting on 2 magnets and it offers such a bouncy, such a soft typing experience. Of course, it also has the classic gasket mount, split O-ring mount, and any other mount that will satisfy almost everyone that is into the keyboard hobby. Pricing remains competitive for a custom keyboard, set to start at $169 and really it's the magnetic levitation system is just very intriguing, and I personally cannot wait to try it out for myself. Beyond the Zoom65 V3, here at this booth is also the new Paw65 Hall Effect, and it looks cute and the magnetic switches are super smooth. Just a quick rundown of this, it will go on sale very soon, there's no specific date yet, and it will retail at $149 for a complete pre-built keyboard, which is pretty good value. Not quite as good as the Chilkey ND75 of course, but this Chilkey Paw65 does come with magnetic switches, which is quite a bit different than the conventional switches found on the ND75. So that's a quick rundown of the Meletrix Zoom65 V3 here at Computex 2023 along with the Chilkey Paw65. If you want to learn more about these keyboards, head on to nextreview.com and stay tuned for more good stuff to come here on this channel.